Sometimes the best places aren't the big famous landmarks. They're the quiet little spots tucked away right on your doorstep. Today I've come to Red Rock in Wigan, and on the surface it just looks like a peaceful woodland walk. But there's actually a lot more history here than you might think. Good morning everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're at Red Rock between Standish and Haigh. Now today's going to be one of those let's see what we can find kind of videos, take it as we go along. But I've also found out there's a bit of hidden history around this part, so we'll try and uncover some of that as we go along. And without any further ado, let's go for a walk. This peaceful path I'm walking on now actually used to be part of a railway line. Back in 1869 there was a station right here at Red Rock, part of the Lancashire Union Joint Railway Line connecting Blackburn to Wigan. There's a bridge up here, and at both sides you've got the trees coming in, and it looks really nice, very green. So I'm going to try and take a shot of this and I'll clip it to the post. See what you think of that. One thing I do have to tell you, a very silly mistake I made this morning. I've come out without my external microphone, and that's the first time that's happened. So I have got no idea of what the sound quality is going to be like, and if it's bad then I apologise. We all make mistakes. Straight away you can see why people like this place. It's not overly busy, it's not too built up, it's just nature doing its thing, and I love it. It's quite strange to think, really, standing here now, how quiet it is. This would have once been a busy railway, trains coming through, coal being transported, a completely different environment to what you see today. The station opened on the 1st of December 1869 with 2 platforms, sidings, and it mainly served the local collieries. Coal was a huge part of life around here, and this line played a big role in moving it across the region. One waiting room was famously locked, reserved exclusively for the use of the Lindsay family of nearby Haigh Hall. It just shows how important this area once was, not just industrially, but socially as well. The station building is now a private home, though some platform edges and paving stones are still visible in the area. You can tell this place changes a lot depending on the season. I bet in autumn this place is stunning with all the colours coming through. Even now it's got that nice relaxed feel to it. God, it's beautiful. It's mad how places change over time. What used to be a working railway, full of activity, is now just a quiet walking trail. And you would never know unless you dug into it. That's one of the best things about places like this. You don't need a plan. You just follow the paths, see where they take you, and enjoy whatever you find along the way. Passenger services ended here on the 26th of September 1949, and it closed completely to freight on September 2nd, 1957. One thing I have noticed, it's really easy walking. So if you're looking for somewhere that's not too demanding, somewhere you can take it easy, then this is definitely the place for you. This whole area is steeped in history. Here you've got the Leeds and Liverpool Canal, which was once used to transport coal. And nearby is Haigh Hall, built by the Lindsay family, major players in the coal industry around here. Red Rock, on the surface, just a quiet, peaceful place to walk. And you walk into a history of coal mines, railways, connections to Hay Hall. It's all part of the story. So that's that again for another week, folks. If you like what you see, please don't forget to hit the like button. If you're new to the channel, it's totally free to subscribe. Thanks again for coming along, and until the next one, take care.